Ladies and gentlemen, the success of any institution can be measured by the contribution which its alumni makes to the national life of any country. I take immense pride in saying this, that we are so proud of the fact that our alumni has distinguished itself in meritoriously serving the national life of Pakistan in all walks of life. Please give a big round of applause to that. Ladies and gentlemen, the department was created in 1962, which means that it has been exactly 63 years that this department is in existence. Now, it wouldn't be out of place if I fail, if I don't mention or fail to mention the very names which created this department, the founding fathers of the department. And by founding fathers, I mean some of the greatest names which this department has seen and over which we are very proud. I mean Mrs. Afsar Salim. I also mean Professor Dr. Asrar Ahmad, Professor Dr. Naib, Professor Dr. Nazir Kaka Khail Saab, and Professor Dr. Iqbal Tajik, as well as Dr. Ghulam Mustafa Saab. Thank you very much, sir, for coming to this function of ours. You were not feeling well, especially Mustafa Saab. We are grateful to you for. Unfortunately, many of our distinguished founding fathers are not amongst us. May Allah bless their souls. But of course, the light which they have illuminated is still here. I also want to mention Dr. Taj Muharram Saab. He wanted to come, but of course, his relatives, his brother was not well, and he couldn't come from Karachi because of that issue. Professor Dr. Abdul Rauf Saab, we are missing him. He also had some issue because of which he couldn't come. In fact, organizing this alumni gathering was an idea of Dr. Iqbal Tajik, Professor Dr. Iqbal Tajik Saab. And when he was alive, we used to discuss as to how this alumni gathering should take place. Unfortunately, he's not here, but of course, it is a satisfaction that his legacy continues and that we are at least able to manage this very first gathering of the Alumni Association of the Department of Political Science. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel proud to call myself an alumni of this department. It was around 30 years ago that I had my first interaction with the department. And I remember still to this day that when I was coming for the interview to be enrolled in the MA Political Science batch of the 1992 to 1994, I was very nervous. I had prepared well for all the questions that would be asked and put to me. And when I entered the room, there was so much rush outside the room. And when I entered the room, I saw the very kind face and soft face of Dr. Asrar Ahmad. And he just asked me this question, that have you applied anywhere else for admission? And my answer was, no, sir, I have just applied for admission in the Department of Political Science. And he said, go, you are now admitted. So that was my first interaction, and I can't believe it. It just seems yesterday that we got admission. Dr. Noreen Nasir is here. And of course, time passes by and we are here celebrating our institution. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to mention here that when we entered the university, it was primarily a teaching institute. But with the passage of time, alhamdulillah, our department especially has not just excelled itself in the institution of teaching, but also in that of research and international collaborations. I want to mention here that we have been having a lot of international conferences, international summer schools, and of course we are working on research projects with international and domestic collaborators. Now all of this has not been possible, would not have been possible without my very able, capable, dynamic faculty team. I always say that there's this proverb that behind every successful man is a woman, and I say that behind every, at least head of the department women is a successful team. So I invite my team to come here and I want to introduce them very briefly. Please, Dr. Noreen Nasir, to say something. You're welcome.